And this okay, it started. So now we are discussing worksheet and the paper style, both the things. See, this was that puzzle. Here you can see shapes are given. First, I have not given you shapes also. These are so many shapes you can see. Few shapes are very different for you. You can see these all, right? In this, you can just count the sides, that how many sides are there. Normally, we know only this many shapes, but these shapes are maybe new for you. Like if there are 5 sides, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it is pentagon. If 6 sides, then hexagon. That way. These shapes are new for you, so these were their names. And I know few girls have already sent me, and that also all mostly all the shapes, not
And
even
ma'am,
less than that.
and ma'am, please send this paper style in the group or personal.
Beta, that is not my duty. That duty is of computer teacher, so she will only send you. Okay? I just want to discuss. That's why I'm showing. So in the paper style, 5 marks MCQ, 5 mark MF means match the following, and then others solve the following. So for match the following, I'm just giving this worksheet for practice. Again, I'm just repeating. This is only for practice. Practice के लिए ही है. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है that I will ask from this only. You can see this heading. Place value concept means which is our first chapter. Match the column means you can see here number before 53 lakh 39,000 means number before means before number. So Qureshi Fatima, give me first name. Let me see give who gives the answer. Means whoever's turn is there is able to give the answer or not. Qureshi Fatima, give me first name. I want to ask about the first question.
I'm Kashani Fatima Mehendi Hassan.
Huh. So Keshwani Fatima Mehendi Hassan, you can just read this question and give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Number before
53 lakh
53
53
lakh
lakh
13,000.
9,000. Huh. So you tell me what is the before number of that. And even if this is column B, from this also you can tell me it is which number answer is. Or you can just tell me the answer, then we will find the answer in column B. Before number. Means you just have to subtract one. Okay, how many students know the answer? Just say your name. If you know
Ma'am,
what
I
is
am
before number.
Miza.
Okay,
Insia Bohra.
okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I give the
नहीं, just
question,
say your
Fatima?
name just so that I can know कि भाई किसको before number आता है, because this is very basic thing before number.
Ma'am, Keshwani Fatima.
Okay, I guess 3 to 4 students said that they know the answer. And before number is very
Keshwani.
easy.
ma'am,
How
can I?
other girls can forget? Yeah, very disappointing.
Ma'am, can I?
No, no, I just
Keshwani
want to
Fatima.
count. हाँ, okay. Just say your name that I can count. बस. I just want to
Fatima,
count.
dear.
हाँ,
Saima
okay, 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 okay. Very disappointing. Very bad. Other girls, those who are not, I
Insia
don't know, they are
Bohra.
not giving the answer or they forgot or what is the reason. See, this is the answer. You can see 53 lakh 39,000. So before number is 38,999, right? So that way you just have to match. Means this is full column A and full column B, this one. I will send in the group also this worksheet which you have to compulsory solve as a practice. This is only I am giving for practice. It's not compulsory that I will ask from this only. In the paper style I have given that I match the following 5 marks, but it's not necessary I will ask from this only. This is just for practice. Maybe this kind of, or maybe I will change, or maybe from this. It's I have not decided yet. तो ये जिस प्रैक्टिस के लिए है, मैच द फॉलोइंग. ओके, इज दिस क्लियर? Yes or no?
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
In the
Yes.
paper style of 5 marks, I have asked 5 marks MCQ and 5 marks match the following. So match the following. I can ask like this also, from this also, or anything. But this is just for practice. So you can do practice of this because this we have already finished. Place value. That's why. And whichever you don't know, we will solve next time. So now we are starting. Sorry, I am just showing that one. This one. I guess F also we have completed, G also we have completed. H I don't remember. From H, I guess H also I have completed. From I have told you to solve. So how many students have tried from I? I have told you to.
मैंने ट्राई किया था
Just say your name.
बलचमीजा
Balatmiza.
इंशिया
Okay.
बोरा
Inshia Bora. Okay.
मैम केशवानी मैम
Okay.
प्लीज
Keshwani
टाइम
Fatima.
आसमानी
Okay. Qureshi Fatima.
मैम कैन यू चेक द आंसर
You can match the answer. That's why only I'm showing that you can match your answer. And even again also I'm explaining as a revision.
व्हाट मैम योर वॉइस इज सो ब्रेकिंग
But other girls are not muting the mic. See, after your turn gets
नो
over,
मैम योर
or
वॉइस इज कमिंग
wait. After your turn gets over, no, means now it's not necessary, right? And without need also, you will unmute your mic. So mute your mic. If you need, then you can unmute. So I was saying that I have told you to try this from I to O, and we have already finished addition, subtraction, both I have explained that only one change is there. You can see it till here, till G, it's addition, but from H it's subtraction, and only there is one change. You can see here plus minus, again here plus minus, but here both the sign will be same, whether increase both number or whether decrease both the number. This was one change. Okay, so now match your answer, and those who have doubt ask me. If you don't know, okay, how can why we are converting 27 into 30? So why we are converting 27 to 30 only, not in 20 or not in 10? I said that multiple of 10 means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But why we are converting 27 to 30 only? Because it is very near, means nearest. And after matching the answer, please tell me that whose answers are right.
मैम I tried
I all answer.
all subtraction H to O.
Whose answer is right?
Saima Hasmani.
Very good. Then
My answer is correct. Ma'am, Keshu and Fatima Mahdi Hussain, my answer is correct.
very good.
Ma'am, I tried all subtraction H to O. I tried all subtraction. And my all subtraction are right.
And speak one one. Okay. Bahalwan Suhana. And Suhana, next time try to send homework to me only. I guess yesterday you have sent to
मैम ये मुझे
Charmilan.
भी आ गए
Good, very good. Only two, three concept you have to use. One is that round to the nearest 10. तो कैसे पता चलेगा? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
मैम my
वो सब
answer is right निंसिया बोहरा
very good.
मैम my
That
answer
all
is
the
right
numbers,
गलत निंसा
that all the numbers are multiple of 10. तब 27 कौन से मल्टीपल से करीब है? 10 से 20, 30, 40. That you have to decide, no? Okay, it's near to which one. Okay, that way we will do. So you have matched your answer, no? Everyone? Or still anyone
Yes,
is matching the
ma'am.
answer? Okay. And is there anyone? Okay. And is there anyone who is copying this so that I can wait?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
I tried all subtractions.
Okay,
My all
very good.
subtractions are right.
Okay, very good. So now we are starting the next one. And please try this. It is just for practice. Match the following. because this time 5 marks I have given to MCQ and 5 to match the following, and then other 10 to solve the following, means 2 to mark 5 some will be there. Qureshi Fatima, tell me the next name.
Ma'am, Siddharth Mantasha 55.
Okay, Siddharth Mantasha, you can just read this much.
Yes, ma'am. Bimala lives
No,
in
first from heading.
profit and loss.
Hmm.
Bimala lives
Bimla,
in
Bimla.
Bimla lives in Assam.
हाँ,
She buys baskets and bags at home using cane and bamboo.
bamboo. So you can see this is that lady, this one, and she prepares this kind of bags. Means this kind of bags we can prepare. I don't know that which kind of bags do you use or your mother also use. But whenever you will observe different kind of bags, so there are different kind of materials also. Have you ever learned about synthetic and natural fiber, like how we prepare the clothes? So clothes, in the clothes also different kind of materials are available. मटेरियल मतलब कि नेचुरल फाइबर से बना है, सिंथेटिक फाइबर से बना है, फैक्ट्री में बना है कि हाथ से बना है. Okay, so even there are so many factories also which prepares many things, but there are few workers also like this lady Bimla, कि जो फैक्ट्री में नहीं बनाते हैं बट दे एक्चुअली यूज, मतलब कि जो ऐसे सीते हैं, ओके, सिलाई मशीन से. So there are so many workers who do this kind of job at home only. या कपड़े सीना, या तो कोई और डिजाइन करना, या तो बैग्स बनाना, so many things they are doing for earning money. So this lady also, this one, this Bimla, so she lives there only. So maybe that is the area which this kind of things are available, cane and bamboo. So do you know this kind of tree is also available? एक ट्री होता है जिसका जो वुड होता है वो बहुत यूजफुल होता है. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट दिस ट्रीज? उसका वुड कैसा होता है? और यू हैव नॉट लर्न? ओके, आई एम ओनली सेइंग you can search whenever you will be free. You can search about this kind of trees. Trees, wood of these trees we can use in so many things, and even trees gives us so many things which we can use. And what can we make from woods of other trees? Do you have any idea? Means people make what from that wood of tree? What can we make from wood? You don't have any idea?
Chair,
What, a chair, no?
furniture.
Furniture, yes, exactly. Okay, good. So maybe you observe sometime cupboard or benches or anything we can make from wood only. And wood we get from what we get wood?
Tree.
Tree. And these both are also the name of the trees only, means wood which we get from tree. And even quality of wood is also very different. उसकी भी quality होती है wood की भी, उस हिसाब से उसकी price होती है. So she is also preparing this kind of bags. That is her duty, means she is doing as a profession. Now let's see the next one. So next name.
Ma'am, Saima Hafmani.
Okay. So Saima, you can read this much from heading.
Okay, ma'am. Profit. It cost her rupees 363 to make this bag. She will sell it for 450 rupees 363 in the cost price. C point P of the bag.
rupees 450 in the selling price 5.T of the bag. When the selling price is more than the cost price, the difference is the profit.
Okay, so this is about profit. Profit मतलब क्या फायदा. I'm just translating few words. Even in last lecture also I have translated few words so that you can understand the meaning of that words, because there are few words which are very important to understand, like increase, decrease, same amount, then this profit. Profit मतलब फायदा. लॉस, तो लॉस मतलब क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ दैट? फायदा उसका ऑपोजिट. प्रॉफिट मतलब फायदा, तो लॉस मतलब
हाँ,
नुकसान.
नुकसान.
हाँ, नुकसान, एग्जैक्टली. हाँ हाँ, exactly, very good. So I guess many of you have that idea. So whenever anyone opens the business, so they think about profit only, कि भाई कितना फायदा होगा. सो हाउ दे कैलकुलेट, तो वो पहले देखते हैं कि मैं जो चीज़ बेच रहा हूँ वो कितने पैसों में बन रही है. So you can see it cost her 360 to make this bag. Means whenever she make this bag, so like she need material also. Which material she needs? So this kind of wood, right? She needs woods also, or any other for design if she needs anything, for decoration also if she needs any kind of thing, any material. So first she buy that kind of thing, means any material, wood or any decoration, anything. So that decorative item or wood whenever she buys, so it cost her 360. मतलब सब मिला के उसको इतना खर्चा हो रहा है 363 का बैग बनाने में. So now after bag is prepared, now you can see this bag is prepared. Now she can sell. But if she wants profit from that, so she will not sell that in 363. कि भाई मुझे 363 का ही बैग का खर्चा हुआ बनाने में और उतने रुपीज में ही मैं बेचूंगी, तो मुझे कोई फायदा कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा. बट इफ आई वांट प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम दैट, देन व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल सेल दैट फ्रॉम मोर देन 363. उससे ज्यादा प्राइस में मैं बेचूंगी तो ही मुझे फायदा होगा. And have you ever means observe? Do you observe कि भाई there are so many offers only, like sell, sell, sell. They write, then 50% discount. They write so many things. Like whenever you go, no, in any market or somewhere, so whenever you will observe no different store or any advertisement, so they write like this, okay, 10% discount, this offer, that offer. So why do we do, means why they do this kind of thing? Advertisement also they give us offers also, they give us a discount also. So why do they do that? Means all the businessmen and the shopkeeper, why they do this? ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? डिस्काउंट भी देते हैं कभी कभार, फिर सेल लगाते हैं, एडवर्टाइजमेंट देते हैं. व्हाई? इफ यू नो. You can just think, I will only give you answer, but just think about that. Why really they do that? They sometimes give us so much discount also, or buy one get one free, that offer
because
also. हाँ
because उसको है ना. हाँ मैम, कैन आई से इन हिंदी?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, इट्स ओके.
मेरे एग्जाम्पल फॉर, मेरे पास वाइटनर है बट वो बहुत ओल्ड, मीन्स बहुत धुना हो गया है, फ्यू इयर्स का है. तो मैं उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा कम पैसे में दूंगी.
हाँ, yes, exactly.
सेलिंग.
Even
हाँ,
हाँ,
सेल
exactly.
करूंगी.
Okay. Even there are so many places also where they sell second hand things also. And whenever you will buy any second hand thing like mobile or something, so you will get in less price. Why? Because
Yes.
they use their brain. मतलब जो भी ऐसे businessmen होते हैं, they really use their brain. कि हाउ कैन वी अट्रैक्ट द कस्टमर, मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कस्टमर कब आएंगे? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? व्हेन मोर एंड मोर कस्टमर विल कम इन योर शोरूम और शॉप to buy different
और
things, when you
अभी
will attract them. हाँ,
फर्स्ट
even
अभी अभी तो दो मेथड है। इस आपने जो दिखाया ना है वो है, ये मैंने ये व्हाइटनर लिया एग्जाम्पल फॉर 5 रुपीज़ में, और मैं बेच रही हूँ 10 रुपीज़ में, नई आई है तो मैं बेच रही हूँ 10 रुपीज़ में। और मैं जो समझाने जा रही हूँ वो है कि मैंने ये व्हाइटनर लिया, दो व्हाइटनर है मेरे पास, एक हल्की कंपनी का है और एक अच्छी कंपनी का है, तो मैं दोनों का फ़र्क तो होगा, एक 5 का होगा और एक 10 का होगा, लाइक दैट।
Even price depends on quality also
Yes.
and brand also. Like whenever you buy shoes also or clothes also of any particular popular famous brand, so price is very high, very costly. So I was explaining about this. Whenever whoever manage everything business and that, so they promote also that through advertisement, and they give this kind of offer also. Offer देंगे तो कस्टमर आएंगे, तो कस्टमर के लिए ही ये सब होता है. Like if more and more customer will come and buy, so they will get more and more profit, and then only they can run that successful business. So this girl means this lady also. What is the name of this lady? What I said? It's written only, but then also. This here, Bimla. Okay, this what is the name of this lady?
Bimla.
And what she is buying, I mean selling, what she makes and what she sells.
Baskets and bags.
Yes.
Bags and basket. And here you can see in this paragraph it is written about only bag. Actually, her profession is that she make a basket and bags and then she sells. And even have you seen that salesman also comes to your house for selling? Salesmen आते हैं, door to door they come visit. Means right now during the corona maybe they are not coming, but before few years when there was not this corona and anything, so they even comes to our house just for selling everything door to door. Salesmen आते हैं. Have you ever observed
Yes, ma'am.
salesmen आते हैं? Who have that experience?
I.
I know.
I मतलब
Keshu.
means name.
I know Saima Hasman.
Okay. So even
Keshu and Fat.
so they even appoint that. Okay. Salesmen भी वो appoint करते हैं. Why? So that they can promote their product and they can sell that. So this lady, she doesn't have a business and factory and anything. Factory नहीं है, but she only prepares that, and the cost of that is 360 degree. Now she is selling in 450. So 360 is cost price. So short form is this CP. So what is full form of CP? Say together, CP, full form of CP.
Cost price.
Cost price, yes.
कॉस्ट प्राइस, कॉस्ट प्राइस मीन्स मुझे जहाँ से आया है
मुझे
और
जितने
सेलिंग
में,
प्राइस में बेच रही हूँ।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. कॉस्ट प्राइस मतलब कि या तो हम खरीद रहे हैं या तो हम बना रहे हैं, तो हमारे पास वो जितने में मतलब वो प्रिपेयर हुआ वो कॉस्ट प्राइस. एंड जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस फुल फॉर्म ऑल्सो. सो अगेन व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CP?
CP means cost price and SP means selling price.
Selling
CP.
price.
Other girls, what is the full form of CP?
Cost
Cost
price.
price. And
SP selling price.
selling
SP
price.
means selling price. So this is the that amount 450 is the selling price of the bag. So after she will sell this bag, she will get this many money. Means 450 पैसे उसको आएंगे. So when the selling price is more than the cost price, the difference is profit. So here you can see that selling price is more. Which number is bigger?
Yes, and
Which
ma'am,
one is greater?
I had doubt that in the exercise 1A of solve using comparison. So example for first A है तो जो 28 plus 86, तो आप क्वेश्चन इतना ही देंगे ना कि
Yes,
28
yes.
plus
Plus 86. So you have to just see that 28 is near to which round to the. Nearest means which
हाँ
multiple
हाँ,
of
हम
10.
पहले
That
सही आंसर लिखेंगे, बाद में हम
yes, using
कॉम्प्लेक्स।
compensation.
हाँ,
Yes,
और
exactly.
हम प्लस माइनस, तो हमको सोचने का है ना, हम क्या करेंगे तो 114 आएगा।
Yes. Okay. So this is about that. Okay, when we will get profit when the selling price is small. Here you can see 363 is greater or 450. Which one is greater?
360,
What do you think?
363.
Which one? Which is greater? 363 is greater than 450. Which one is greater?
The greater is
450.
the selling
450.
price means 450.
Selling price is more. Yes. And other girls, which price is more? Cost price or selling price here?
Selling price.
300. Okay.
Second.
And other girls, I want answer from everyone. Just say the
Selling.
363. Just observe, no? 363 is greater or
Selling.
450? 450, and that is selling price.
Selling.
Yes.
Okay. So you can see now they have calculated 450 minus 360 is 87 she got as a profit. You can say I will earn 87 on each bag I sell. मतलब वो खुद ऐसा बोल रही है means dialogue कि I will earn means कमाना means she will get this 87 as a profit, and here they found. So what is the formula to find profit? Selling price minus post price. Understood how you
Yes.
find the profit? Selling price minus post price. But if selling price is more, okay, I'm just showing that sum also so that you can just tell me. This is first question. Here you can see the heading. Fatima, give me next name means Qureshi Fatima so that I can tell that girl.
Ma'am, Kashwani Fatima Mohammed.
Okay. So Keshwani Fatima Mohammed Taki.
Okay.
And just
Decide
read that.
whether, हाँ,
Whether,
decide whether there is a
decide
profit
whether.
or, फिर से मैं बोल रही हूँ, first decide whether there is profit or loss
Hmm.
in each of this produce with
Product.
the
It's product.
products with the help of a model.
Yes. So here you don't see right now this one with the help of model. Don't see this one. Right now just see this one. Decide whether there is a profit or loss in each of these product. Right now just concentrate here. Okay, what I'm explaining that. And if too much noise is coming, then just tell me. Then I will say. Decide
It's
whether.
it's not coming too much, but
Okay, okay. Because right now other students got recess. No, that's why. So decide whether there is profit or loss. So here the cost price and selling price both are given to you. You have to decide that you will get profit or not. So cost price
they will get
305.
profit.
And this is that product. I'm just showing that again. I think so noise is coming, right? So just wait, I'm
Yes.
going and closing the door if possible. So I was saying about this one. Okay, the heading, just see the heading, only half heading. They are saying us to decide. हमें decide करना है कि they will get profit or loss. Okay. So now, this is the name of the product. So next name for reading the product.
Ma'am, Insha Bohada.
Okay, Inshia. Inshia, you can read this.
Okay, ma'am. Uh, Ja- 1 minute. Jana Patna toys from Karnataka.
So this is one kind of toy you can see. This is one kind of toy, and the price of toy is given here. And sometime on the that packet food, like if you buy packet food or anything which is packed, so on that packet even price is also mentioned, right? But here in this toys, whenever you buy from any small shop, So it is not in a packet. You just have to ask to that shopkeeper. So here you can see cost price is 305 and selling price is 340. Means ये जिसने भी बनाया होगा, whoever made this toy, जिसने भी बनाया होगा, cost price is 305 means उसको इतना खर्चा हुआ होगा. Okay, he or she has spent this much money means 305. तो इतने में ये बना है और जो शॉपकीपर है जिसने भी बनाया है, they are selling this toy in this price 340. So here again decide that which is greater, cost price is greater or selling price is greater. So next student will say, Qureshi Fatima, tell me the next name. Qureshi Fatima.
Ma'am.
Tell me the next name.
Ma'am, Nayani Sakina.
Nayani Sakina, you decide. Okay, here which price is greater? Cost price is or selling price? You have to
Cost.
decide. Okay, I am just highlighting this. हाँ, इसमें से ज्यादा प्राइस कौन सी है, कोस्ट प्राइस के सेलिंग प्राइस? विच इज ग्रेटर?
मैम cost price.
Which?
Sorry,
Say
selling
again.
price.
Okay, selling price is more than cost price. So when selling price is more, so what you will get, profit or loss? Just now I have explained this one. This one. Here selling price is more than cost price. So what you will get?
Selling price.
What you will? Profit you will get. Okay.
Okay.
And when cost price is more, so then selling price, so you will get loss. Okay, understood about profit and loss
Yes.
or not? So here which one is greater? Say together
Selling.
everyone.
Yes, understood.
Selling
Cost
price.
price and
Yes, selling
cost
price
price
is
rupees 305 and selling price.
So which one is greater everyone?
Selling
Selling
price.
price.
So what you will get, profit or loss?
Profit.
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 सेलिंग प्राइस ज्यादा हो तो प्रॉफिट, कोस्ट प्राइस ज्यादा हो तो लॉस. आया समझ में?
Yes.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then also I will try to explain this in Hindi in last 5 minutes after recording will stop, so that I can just explain you properly that what is actually profit and loss. I have already given you the Hindi names for that, profit and loss, so that you can understand in which condition you will get profit and in which condition you will get loss. You just have to decide that which is greater, selling price is greater or cost price is greater. If selling price is greater, means more than cost price, then what you will get, profit or loss? If selling price is more,
Profit. Sorry. Selling price.
profit. If selling price is more, so what you will get?
Profit.
Yes. I'm again highlighting this last
Profit.
line. So learn this one. Learn this line, okay? Everyone compulsory learn this line. When the selling price is more than cost price, the difference is profit. So that you can decide, okay, which price is greater, so what you will get. Okay?
And I can read Qureshi Fatima.
I said everyone learn. So I'm giving 1 minute, please learn because it is very important. And I'm just worrying, I think so you will forget. So after learning, please say, I have learned. And
I
name
have
also with your name.
Shaima Hasmani.
Okay, good.
Fatima. Done.
Ma'am, okay.
Siddharth Mantasha.
Okay.
Ma'am, Balaj Minsalam.
Okay. This line is very important, that's why I'm forcing you. And in down, this line is very important, that when you will get loss. So learn both the lines, that when you will get loss and when you will get profit. Okay, this line is about profit, this line is about loss. Okay, भाई profit कब होगा, loss कब होगा? When selling price is more, no, you will get profit, and when cost price is more, you will get loss.
मैम
So learn this both.
इसका मतलब मैंने लिया इतने मैं लिया 10 रुपीज़ का और मैं बेच रही हूँ 20 का, तो मुझे प्रॉफिट हुआ। और मैंने लिया 20 का और मैं बेच रही हूँ 10 का, लेस, ऐसा।
Yes, exactly. When you buy anything or prepare anything, because it's not necessary that any shopkeeper will just buy something. There are so many workers who actually prepare everything at home only. Like khakra also. Khakra is a very common example. घर में ही बनाते हैं. There are so many ladies, especially, who make a group, prepare khakra, and then just they buy, sell that. And they don't use machine or anything. They don't have a huge factory or anything. They just prepare that at home only, khakra. That is the best example. And there are so many ladies like this who do that kind of jobs. So learn this both and then just say after you finish. Finish, no? Or still anybody is learning? Then I will just wait, because this is very important, that when you will get profit and when you will get loss. Finish? Shall I change?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please, I will say that as the following. Please, please, please do practice of that. It's humble request. And please, it's another humble request that maintain your fair book also. Now again, this time repeating whatever I have explained you today about profit and loss. This is very, very, very important. Like in future also, I don't know that how many girls, but many girls